Hello guys, my name is Jambi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome on board and let's get creative together. Also, if you haven't subscribed, kindly remember to subscribe. So today we are going to learn how to make these simple, beautiful rings that I'm wearing. And to make these rings, we're going to need the following materials. We're going to need brass wire. And brass wire comes in different gauges, and the one that we're going to use today is 20 gauge. I love using 20 gauge because it's light and it's easy to bend. You can even bend it using your hands. We're also going to need pliers, and today we are going to use these two different types of pliers. So this one is called a flat nose pliers. These are called flat nose pliers because they are flat here, and these are called round nose pliers because they are round. So because in the video it's not clear which particular one I'm using, so let me show you how they are used. So this part here is used to cut wire, like that. And this round nose pliers are also used to make bends like that, like one bend like that. So this flat nose pliers, this part here is used to make several bends or coils. Like that. So we're also going to need something round, and there's a certain tool that is used in making rings. It's called a ring mandrel, but I don't have one yet. So I decided to improvise my polish can, or my polish can. So I'm going to use this part here to make round bends. So look for a can for something that's the size of your fingers. So those are the tools that we are going to need today. I'm going to explain it in the video. So let's meet in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly remember to subscribe. Also remember to share, like, and comment. Let's begin making our rings and let's meet next time. Bye.